I'm gonna type 2 right now. Type 2. There you go. 1 for good, 2 for bad. Oh, they know. They know Faisal is there. They hear the footsteps. Okay, so we agree. 2. Nice. Okay, I just wanted to make sure we're on the same wavelength here, chat. Then shoot again. How many grenades? Yes, so many grenades. But okay, we agree, chat. We can stop the spam. I get it. Is he gonna? Oh, he's trying to do a punch fight. Yeah, yes. Let's go. Fisticuffs. Go get him. Oh, he's got the pan. Okay, he's got the pan. Okay, everyone heal up. 100% HP. Come on. Fair game. Let's fight like men. Bro, imagine he just gets his weapon out and he just like I respect it. MAXEBELS, I respect it. Taking the fight. They don't have to technically. He just give them a pan? Hey, Faisal, come on. Faisal! Come on. Come on, get him. How? Yes! Flush him. Nice. Faisal. He didn't take any damage. What? Wait, is he gonna do a 1v4 with a knife? Come on, do it again. Oh, he took damage there. It was traded. 1v2. Come on, heal up.
This is the beauty of PUBG Mobile.
It is the beauty of PUBG Mobile Inferno. I agree. This is beautiful. Come on, Faisal. Wait for the tick damage. Oh, he's going for it. You're not full HP, Faisal. No. Oh, did he get damage there? I didn't see. No, he didn't. But he got damage there. He got a second one. Come on. 1v3. Throw the knife. Can you throw it? No. Okay. You got to pick up your knife.
He's trying to run. I got thrown.
You don't have to get him. Yes. 1v3.
There you go.
Go on. 1v4.
It's going to be a last 1v1.
He's not even full HP and he's still winning it. Oh, he took some damage there. Oh, it's bad. 50-50. Oh, he gets another hit there. One more and Slacker's going to get the win. He's running away. He hits it once again. One more shot. Come on, Faisal. Can you get the 1v4? Faisal gets the 1v4 with a knife. I ate chicken dinner. Let's go. Fire. Nice. Faisal. Oh, that's some good sportsmanship. You love to see it. Well done, Faisal. 1v4 with a knife. Never seen before in PUBG Mobile Esports.